What if every animal on Earth just vanished? Not humans, just animals. Every bird, fish, insect, mammal, gone. You'd notice the silence first. No birds chirping, no dogs barking, no buzzing flies, just eerie, unnatural, quiet. But that's the least of your problems. Because what comes next is a cascade of disasters you probably didn't see coming. Within hours, the bodies start piling up, billions of dead animals everywhere. In oceans, forests, cities, farms, the smell alone would be unbearable. But here's where it gets worse. Without scavengers like vultures, rats, and beetles to clean up, all that rotting flesh just sits there. Disease spreads fast. Bacteria multiply. The air becomes toxic in some areas. Now, let's talk about what you're going to eat. No more meat, obviously, but also no more milk, eggs, cheese, or honey. Your diet just became accidentally vegan, whether you like it or not. Except there's a problem with that plan, too. Most crops depend on pollinators bees, butterflies, even some birds. Without them, about 70% of flowering plants can't reproduce. That includes almonds, apples, berries, cucumbers, and countless others. Sure, wheat and rice are wind pollinated, so those survive. But your food options just got incredibly boring and limited. The oceans turn into dead zones. Without fish and marine life, algae blooms explode unchecked. Oxygen levels drop. The entire ocean ecosystem, which produces over half the world's oxygen, starts collapsing. You'd better hope we've got enough trees left, because breathing is about to become a more pressing concern. Forests face their own crisis. Deer, insects, and countless species help disperse seeds. They control plant populations. Without them, some forests grow out of control while others simply stop regenerating. Invasive plant species take over with nothing to keep them in check. The landscape transforms into something unrecognizable. Then there's the economic collapse. The meat industry, fishing industry, dairy, wool, leather, pharmaceutical testing, zoos, pet stores, all gone overnight, millions unemployed, global trade disrupted, and good luck maintaining ecosystems we've engineered. No more service animals, no more police dogs, no more horses for work or transport in developing regions. But perhaps the strangest consequence? Human psychology breaks down. We evolved alongside animals. They're in our stories, our religions, our daily lives. Children grow up never seeing a living animal except other humans. Depression rates skyrocket. The world feels fundamentally wrong, empty, incomplete. Within a few years, Earth becomes barely recognizable. Plant life goes haywire without herbivores controlling growth. Insect populations that can survive without pollination explode, then crash. Ecosystems collapse like dominoes. And humans? We're struggling to survive on a planet that's slowly suffocating itself. So, if all animals suddenly disappeared, the silence would be immediate. But the real horror unfolds slowly, methodically, as every system we depend on crumbles. Turns out we need them far more than we ever realized.